City? Mira was a very shy girl who lived in a very, very big city. The city was always noisy, busy, and full of confident people, which made Mira want to hide behind the nearest plant. Every morning, she practiced saying, "Good morning," in the mirror. Good, good, good more. She sneezed from nervousness. One day, she decided to be brave and buy coffee by herself. At the cafe counter, her heart was doing jumping exercises. The waiter smiled. "What would you like?" Mira panicked. Instead of saying, "1 coffee, please," she blurted out, "1 table, please. Thank you. Sorry." The waiter blinked. The lady behind her giggled. Mira turned as red as a tomato. But then something surprising happened. The waiter smiled kindly and said, "No worries. First time ordering alone?" Mira nodded shyly. "Well," he said, handing her a warm cup, "you did great." Mira took the coffee, sat by the window, and smiled to herself. Maybe the big city wasn't so scary after all. And the next morning, she practiced again in the mirror. This time, she said clearly, "1 coffee, please," then immediately added, "Sorry."
Shy, confident, panicked. Giggled kindly. Live in, hide behind. Blurt out. Hand over per hand something too.